Hello, welcome back once again. Today we're going to solve this interesting quartic equation. We're going to solve for values of x that will satisfy this equation. But unfortunately, this equation has no real solution. The equation has complex solutions. So let's solve for the complex values of x that will satisfy this equation. From this given equation, we have x raised to the power of 4 minus x squared plus 1, this is equal to 0. Many may think that the best way to approach this problem is to make a substitution, that is letting x squared equals y. But if you do this, this will not give you the best method to use to solving this problem, right? So here is the trick. So this is what I'm going to do. Let us recall that a plus b squared is equal to a squared plus b squared plus 2 times a times b, right? Now let us reason this. Let us say we have x to the power of 2 plus 1 whole squared. So this will give us x squared squared will give us x to the power of 4, then plus 1 squared will give us 1, plus 2 times x squared times 1, that will give us 2x squared. Now compare this right hand side of this equation with the left hand side of this main equation here. Here we see that we have x to the power of 4 plus 1 here, but what we have here is negative x squared. Meanwhile, we have plus 2x squared here. So we need to rewrite negative x squared so that 2x squared will appear at the left hand side. So here is how we're going to do that. So we know that x to the power of 4 plus 1 is already right over here. Then negative x squared, we can write that as plus 2x squared minus 3x squared, right? Okay, so if you look at this here we see that this minus this will give us this, and the right hand side we have this is equal to 0. Now this part here is exactly the expansion of this binomial, x squared plus 1 whole squared. Then we have minus 3x squared, this is equal to 0. So from here now we have x squared plus 1 whole squared minus, here we can write this 2 here as square root of 3 times x whole squared, and therefore this is equal to 0. Now looking at this, we recall the difference of two squares formula. A squared minus b squared is equal to a plus b multiplied by a minus b. So using this one, this will become x squared plus 1 plus square root of 3 times x multiplied by x squared plus 1 minus square root of 3 times x, and therefore this is equal to 0. Now we obtain two quadratic expressions in the brackets, right? So from here, this implies that either x squared, put this, plus square root of 3 times x plus 1 is equal to 0, or x squared minus square root of 3x plus 1 is equal to 0. Now using the general quadratic formula, we get here x is equal to negative b will be negative root 3 plus or minus square root of b squared is root 3 squared, which is 3, minus 4ac. 3 minus 4 will give us negative 1. Then the whole of this is divided by 2. So this one will almost be the same thing, shows that we have just positive root 3 from here. And we still have square root of negative 1 over 2. We know square root of negative 1 is imaginary, so here we get our solutions. X is equal to negative root 3 plus or minus, this will give us I all over 2, or from this one here, square root of 3 plus or minus I all over 2. And here we have the 4 complex solutions. Thank you for watching. Please kindly subscribe to my channel. Also like, comment, and share.